here's everything that was in the box.
I'm Sophie, and this is the Aiper Seagall 3000. A pool vacuum video is perfect for December, or it might be January by the time you see this, but it's December right now for me in Florida.
So this baby is wireless, sort of.
This blue cable connects to the vacuum onto the spaceship, and the ship floats above the vacuum on top of the water. With this, I can start the vacuum, and I can set different modes. So unlike the other vacuums that I've shown on this channel or my other one, for some reason I got pool vacuums on both channels, but anyways, I could set this just to go on the floor. And I think the reason they did that is because sometimes these things get stuck on stairs, so now you don't have to have it climb the wall, but it climbs walls. And hopefully it's durable. So as this thing scoots around on the pool floor and or walls, it's gonna collect all the schmutzes and gunk and dead animals inside of here. So these baskets just lift out, and then you can easily wash them out with a hose. And according to the specs, the vacuum will clean a pool that's up to 3,229 square feet. And don't forget, once you're done cleaning the baskets, lock it. To lock it, go like this.
It's a lot lighter in water. If you're sitting there wondering why I'm covered in bruises,
well, you might get some too if you try to fill one of these. And this is how you charge it up. Stick it in here, plug it in. So once that red light turns green, it's fully charged. It's not too filthy, but it's gotten a little filthy. It doesn't get so filthy in the colder months, and by colder, right now it's about 70. Whoops, I left it on the charger overnight. Probably shouldn't do that, but it was taking so long I forgot about it. Once it's done charging, the light will be green. So I have no clue how long it took, but it was a while. I'm gonna make sure the top part's locked. All right. So, first time you go to use this thing, and this is with pretty much any pool vacuum I've used so far, you gotta try to get all the air bubbles out. So I put it in at an angle like this. And that's pretty much it. And then I'm gonna put this thing in. It's really hard to record with these assholes constantly in the sky. Nice, that actually sunk to the bottom really quick. Quickest out of all the ones I've used so far. So next up, I'm gonna turn this on. And I got it on all, so it's gonna climb walls and clean the floor. Click start. And it doesn't start up instantly, but it will start up. There it goes. So far, so good on the stairs. This one doesn't actually seem to climb them, just the walls, which is how it should be, because if they climb the stairs, they can get stuck. So while the vacuum's doing its thing, I'm gonna talk about the app. If you go to the Play Store, find Aiper. There it is. Install. Once that's ready, open it up, and at the very top left corner there's the Bluetooth icon. Click on it and you're gonna find Seagall 3000. Click again, and then And once it's connected, you can go back and it'll show your battery life. On the very bottom, the little icons on there, left one, click on it, and here you can change the different cleaning modes. And this has a little bit more than what I like to call the spaceship that floats on the water. So there's just pool floor, pool wall, once floor, once wall. I don't know if you can hear the plane, but they're so annoying. They keep flying by. Anyways, once floor, once wall, 3 times floor, once wall, and yeah. After that, back to the bottom, to the icons, the one in the middle, battery life again. And then after that, here's the fun one, manual mode. So you can make this thing into a toy and just operate it with your fingers. Okay, it just beeped at me, so it's done. But my battery life is showing 20%. In the manual, it says once it's at 15% and no longer climbs walls, but according to the app, it's at 20% and it's no longer moving. Check that out. One thing I would really like for this is a hook, because yeah, it stops at a wall when it's done, but you still gotta reach in there and the water is really cold. And what if it stops at a deep end? You're not supposed to pull on the cable, the cord that's attached to it. So a hook would be nice. I didn't get a pool to get wet. I got it so I can look at it apparently. Luckily, I have a hook from a previous Aiper, so I'm just gonna use that. So after almost 2 hours of runtime, let's see how it did. Oh, I'd say that's much cleaner. Can you even tell? There's a lot of reflection going on. Oh yeah, a lot of the gunk that was over here tends to collect in this area. It's gone. Awesome, it vacuumed. So here's the before and here's the after. It definitely vacuumed. They recommend removing the baskets before I remove the vacuum, but I'm holding a camera, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the vacuum and then clean out the baskets. Let's see how it did. Ooh, ew. Oh, look at that. Yum. Ooh, more dead worms. Yummy. So that's it. I'm pretty satisfied with these Aiper vacuums. I really like this one, it's pretty cool. If you have a pool and you're interested in this thing, there'll be a link down below in the video's description. So that's it. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.